Okay, the first thing you got to do is choose your plan. So the startup, grow big and go gig. If you're new to starting your website, if you're new to owning your own website for the first time, I would suggest start with the startup plan. And if you want to increase your bandwidth later on, you can always upgrade later. So click startup, get started. And if you have a domain, I suggest you click I already have a domain. If not, you can just click register a new domain and choose what domain that you want, and it will tell you if it's available or not. But if you do have a domain already, I'll just suggest to click I already have a domain, and I'll proceed. And so just fill in your details, and I'm just using whatever that's oops. All right, so okay, so fill up all your details, your name, you don't need to fill this. If you have if you're signing up under a company, then you can put under your details. So put in your city, address, zip code, phone number, and fill in your payment information. You can click billing address, the same as given in the contact information if it is so. Okay, so this is your startup hosting plan. This is what you've chosen. The data center, I suggest choosing one that's closer to where your location is. So because I'm from New Zealand, my location is closer to Singapore. So that's what I chose, Singapore. If you are in the USA, I'll suggest put Chicago, or near Amsterdam, put Amsterdam, and if it's London, if you're in the UK, then obviously you choose the UK. So if you're from the US, click the Chicago, USA data center. Period. I suggest if you want to trial for 1 month, that's fine. But if your designer or your you want to save a little bit more, then 12 months would be good. Yeah, this regular is $11.95 per month. So basically, if you have a 12-month hosting price, you get a $3.95 per month. So you're basically paying $47.40 for a year. Site scanner is not compulsory, but I do recommend using a site scanner. It helps to monitor your it's a monitoring service that checks your website daily and immediately notifies you if your website has been hacked or injected with malicious code. I think this is pretty good for $1.65 per month to get this. Is actually a pretty good thing to have. And then the total $67.20, and click I confirm. Well, of course, you have a read and click it. I confirm, and I would like to receive SiteGround news and special offers. That is if you want to. It's not compulsory. Okay, so then all you have to do is just pay, and once you've paid, I'll just let you just show you what you will get under my SiteGround. You'll get this important message from SiteGround saying you get your sales receipt, saying that thank you for purchasing SiteGround, blah blah blah. So this is, and your details and everything all will be here. But I think what you really should what you really should send to your webmaster or your web designer is this information, important information about your new hosting account. Just send this to your web designer, and she or he will help to set up your website for you. So I hope you've learned something today. It's very easy and straightforward, and I hope this helps. Thank you.